In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero remittance advice efficiently and accurately. Whether you're a seasoned pro at using Xero for your accounting needs or just getting started, understanding how to navigate and utilize the features for remittance advice can make a world of difference in managing your finances and ensuring timely communications with your suppliers. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Xero's official website. Once there, you'll notice a login option in the top right corner of the home page. This is your gateway to entering your Xero dashboard, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the login button, you'll be brought to a sign-in page where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure you type these details carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your credentials, proceed by clicking the login button. A successful login will take you directly to your Xero dashboard where all your financial information is neatly organized. Once inside your dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to the business section. You can easily find this by looking for a tab or link labeled Business. It's your centralized spot for managing transactions and invoices. In the business section, you'll need to find and click on Bills to Pay. This section is crucial as it contains all the information regarding your outgoing finances, including the bills and invoices due for payment. Now, within Bills to Pay, you should see various filters or categories, one of which is paid. Click on this to narrow down your view to transactions that have already been settled. This step is essential because remittance advice is relevant only for payments that have been completed. After filtering to see only paid bills, you'll want to choose any invoice from the list that you need to send remittance advice for. Clicking on a specific invoice will bring up details related to that transaction. It's here you'll find crucial information necessary for the next step. Scroll down to the bottom of the invoice details page and look for a link labeled Payment. This link is what you'll need to click next. It will take you to a detailed view of the payment associated with that invoice, providing you with a comprehensive overview of the transaction. Once you're viewing the payment details, direct your attention to the Options menu. It's usually located somewhere conspicuous on the page, and it's from here that you'll find the Send Remittance option. This is the feature that allows you to notify your suppliers or vendors about the payments made. Selecting Send Remittance will bring up a new dialog box or screen, where you'll be prompted to enter an email address. This should be the email address of the supplier or recipient for whom the remittance advice is intended. Be sure to double check the email for accuracy to ensure it reaches the correct recipient. Finally, after entering and verifying the email address, go ahead and click on Send. It's a simple yet crucial step to finalize the process. By doing this, Xero automates and sends out an email with the remittance advice directly to your supplier or vendor, confirming the details of the payment made, and that's it. You've successfully navigated through Xero to send a remittance advice. This process, while straightforward, plays a vital role in maintaining transparent, trusted relationships with your suppliers by keeping them updated with their payment statuses. A few quick tips to enhance your experience. Always ensure your vendors' email addresses are kept up to date in your Xero contacts to avoid any communication mishaps. Periodically review your list of paid invoices to ensure remittance advice has been sent for all relevant transactions. Not only does this keep your records tidy, but it can also help in preventing any discrepancies or confusion in the future. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Remember, consistent and clear communication is key in all aspects of business management. And by utilizing Xero to its full potential, you're well on your way to optimizing your financial processes. Thanks for joining me today, and keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to streamline your accounting activities.